Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen, and welcome to our Irish family. So today I want to do a bathroom tiles deep clean. So here I'm just trying to show you the dirt that's on my shower screen, and now I'm just going to show you my tiles. So there is mold in the silicone that's along the shower screen and along the bottom tiles, and then my tiles just need a good clean. The grout just needs a great clean. So I would love if you subscribe to my channel. I put out cleaning videos once per week, and then another 2 videos that are just random. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and let's get going. So the product I am using here is Sif Power and Shine Bathroom. So I'm putting this all on the bottom of the tiles here, and then I'm going to use my Astonish bleach cream and a scrubber brush, and then get in all of that grout. So that's what I'm doing here. So I am using my little version of the sonic scrubber, and I am trying to get in and remove some of that dirt there, which is when I noticed that it is mold inside the silicone. But this is the sonic scrubber from Lidl. I purchased a little while ago. I think it was like €10. And I am using the Sif Bathroom Power and Shine Cleaner. It wasn't until I was actually doing this that I noticed how dirty these bottom tiles are, because usually I clean the tiles on the sidewall, and then I kind of always forget to do these ones, but from now on it's definitely going to be on my must-do list because these are pretty rank. So I then grabbed out my Astonish mold and mildew spray, and again just spraying it on and going to tackle it with that sonic scrubber, in the hopes that it lifts some of the mold that is on that silicone. So with cream based cleaners, you need to ensure that you rinse it and scrub it twice. Because it leaves a residue, and once it's dried you can see the residue is just sitting on top of it. So that's why I'm scrubbing over the area that I've already scrubbed, just to ensure that the cream has been removed. So again, I'm using my Astonish bleach cleaner for these tiles and grout. So I was trying to show you my me scrubbing those tiles, but my shower screen is so dirty, so I'm using the Method glass cleaner here and a glass microfiber cloth just to get rid of all of that like soap scum and watermarks. So there we have it. That glass screen is now glistening from that Method cleaner and the microfiber cloth. My bathroom tiles are a whole lot cleaner than they were. I do need to kind of sort something out for that silicone and grout mold issue, but right now this is going to do us. The tiles are super shiny and it's just worked out brilliantly. So I thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe. I put out videos 3 days a week. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.